This is the complete footage of our Maui Catamaran cruise tour. We're gonna take you on a journey so you can see if this tour is right for you. Let's go check it out. First up, we got picked up by the Polynesian Adventure Bus. Before anything else, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and the notification bell as well. To go on a boat ride. Also, please check out our Maui, Hawaii travel vlog video on the description below. That way you can see what we did on our whole trip. Alright, well let's go get the party started and go cruising. It's just too darn early for her.
We're moving, Michaela. We are moving. We're gonna go to Catamaran.
I'm gonna take captures at different spots of the boat so that way you can see how it looks like. This Catamaran cruise tour is pretty chill. Captain speaking.
Like I said, my first thing here, guys. So sit back or left.
He served us a little cinnamon roll to start the day. Still cruising here and listening to music. Right there in the background is the Ka'anapali Beach stretch. We even saw our hotel. Just savoring and enjoying the cruise. And we even saw dolphins.
Swimming with us, look.
In the middle of the ocean. We even stopped for a little bit for a dolphin show.
Oh, there it is. I caught it.
This guy's an endemic species. You don't see him anywhere else.
Wow.
You see why they call him that?
Oh, there.
This is like a relatively small pond. They can range anywhere from like 100 to 300.
That's so cool. There was one right there.
You'll notice these ones don't get very big and still do flips and spins in the air. It's called an alpha state they go into, so the dolphins never truly sleep.
Wow, look at that.
Give a couple breaths in there.
A little briefing from the captain.
Don't be the double flotation guy today. Not a cool look. Don't be this guy. Also, don't be the flippers on the boat guy. That's like wearing your skis.
Now it's snorkeling time.
Hello! We're all snorkeling together. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got fish in here. That's pretty cool. Big snorkeling. Oh, look at a big fish. Yeah. Hey, we can snorkeling. Yeah. Yes. Woohoo! Family snorkel. Oh, this is very fun. Where's the turtle? Oh yeah. That's cool. Let's see you guys. Oh. Woohoo!
Check out some of these marine life in Namalu Bay.
That's cool. Oh, look, fish. Cool. There's a lot of fishes right here. Cool. Woohoo!
Now I went snorkeling by myself. Not sure what that is, but I think it's a colorful sea urchin. Snorkeling can be so relaxing. Finally found a school of fish. Now that snorkeling is over, I think it's time for some drone shots.
Tim and Natalie.
And here we go. That right there is the Montage Resort. This one right here is Kapalua Bay. You see those rock formations over there? That's where I actually saw a lot of turtles in our past trips. Since we conquered under the sea, now let's conquer the skies. And here's Montage Resort once again. Okay, drone, go back home now. Here's another drone shot of our catamaran boat. Let's also do a 360 shot. I suppose we could do some more flights. We're gonna leave you with some photos that we took. And don't you dare forget to hit that like button and subscribe for good luck. By the way, I forgot to mention they did give us a couple of Mai Tais. You can't beat that. So cheers to you and keep on collecting good memories. Mahalo to you.